Alright, hello again. So the purpose of this video is just to give some quick guidance on downloading RStudio to your laptop. Again, we'll talk about what these are in more detail in class, but we just kind of want to get going by just making sure we have the software already set and ready to go. So if you navigate to the link provided for downloading RStudio, it should take you to this website that has this title, RStudio Desktop. We've already installed R, so we've already done this step 1. Now we just need to do step 2, which is install RStudio. So this button should kind of match what your operating system is. So mine says download RStudio Desktop for Mac OS 11 Plus, which is what my operating system is right now. So I'm going to click that button. You should see RStudio download, and you should be able to open the thing that downloads. If you're on a Mac, I would recommend once you make it to this screen just to move RStudio into your applications folder so that it's with the rest of your applications. So you could do that by just dragging it and dropping it. If you're on Windows, I believe it goes into applications by default, so you should just kind of be good to go, I believe. Anyway, once that is in applications, you can open RStudio. The first time you open it, you'll get this prompt, just that it's downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, that's fine. And so if you click OK, you should get this window here. And so once you make it just to this screen, we're going to stop here. If you want to just kind of be sure that it's working, you could type in some sort of simple math equation into this line. So I just did 4 minus 2. It's probably really hard to see because I'm not zoomed in. But if you click enter, you should get the result of that simple calculation. But we're going to stop here. So once you have RStudio downloaded and you can make it to this screen, you're in good shape so far. We'll do one more. We might do one more video on just a couple of other extra things to set up. But nice work so far, and I'll close out.